these travels, tell my story, take me high and low.
Jumping on the ship, the ocean calls my name. Kelly's got the rule, it ain't no guessing.
Alright, let's do a room 2 or 9174Z.
Cruising on the waves, feeling so alive. Brilliant ladies shine. Watch this butterfly.
Out here to the balcony.
Spores away, food that'll elevate. Can't be late. Brilliant lady, we dance to the beat.
With the hammock.
Feel the heat in the heart of the ocean.
Bed. TV.
Real travel, the adventure's just
Chair. I guess that's a drawer. Lights. Plug there. Let's see, and then I'll plug over here. Nope, there are lights over here. Oh yeah, there is plugs down here. Plenty of plugs. Tablet. I guess it runs air conditioning, TV, everything. What's down here? There's a refrigerator, cups, storage, hanging everything here. More storage down there. Ooh, bathroom. Kind of a small shower. And the evacuation plan.
cruising through the night. Feel the heat in the heart of the ocean. We're all one. Colors feel travel, the adventure's just begun. So raise your glass high, let the good times.
Here is the iPad for the room. It can control the balcony curtains, open and close. It can also control all the lights in the room, the air conditioning, and also anything on the TV.